The Dance of Life by Jody Mango. There were two hearts that met in a dance. That moment was magical. There was a sweet song playing. There was harmony, and soon, love in the air. They fell in love and started building castles in their dreams, and promised forever with all certainty. But somewhere in the midst of the fun, they got lost in a dance. Something went wrong, but they could never do anything. They were just drifting away, their fortress falling apart. There were so many questions, but no one had an answer. The music stopped, and there was silence. When we truly love someone, we give our best and let the person see the pureness of our intention. But sometimes, that person make us cry and hurt us for the wrong reason. That someone must have loved us, but he has loved us enough to make him stand for what he truly felt. Now, we are faced with the seemingly impossible task of forgetting. We have burdened ourselves long enough, but we still can't get out of this emotional trap. Let us remember that the more we try to forget someone we love, the more painful letting go will become. Sometimes, we never had to take that person out in our hearts at all, for he will always be there, no matter how we drive him away. It isn't his presence that makes this difficult. It is our stubbornness to accept our destiny that allows forgetting next to impossible. We keep a cold face, but deep in our hearts, there is still that lingering hope for reconciliation. Somehow, we still believe that we can rekindle small embers to relight the fire that once burned in our hearts. These thoughts give us hope, but also breed the seeds of loneliness and despair. The only way to forget is to accept, and the only way to move on is to look ahead, and let the footprints of the past be blown by the wind of time. Only then can our hearts find a partner in the dance of life, and hopefully never get lost again. The Dance of Life by Jody Mango.